Did you know that 0.000000004% of people in this world actually leave a mark, like Steve Jobs, Ratan Tata, Bill Gates, etc. Very few of us are really able to create the impact that we have the potential to create. And the reason is not that the rest of us are not smart or intelligent. The reason is that the rest of us don't know how to deal with our self critique. ऐसा नहीं है कि इन लोगों को सेल्फ क्रिटिक ने स्टॉप नहीं किया, होल्ड बैक नहीं किया, रोका नहीं, जरूर रोका होगा. द डिफरेंस इज दैट सम पीपल लर्न हाउ टू manage this self critique and some people get carried away by it. So the classic situation is whether you can control your mind or will you let your mind control you. Now it looks very simple, sounds very simple, but obviously it's not so simple, and that is why so many of us, such intelligent people, are also stuck in thinking small, playing small, and leaving no legacy behind. So, how do we deal with this self critique? The answer is simple. We need to work on self love. Now, self love does not mean being a narcissist, कि अपने से इतना प्यार हो जाए कि आपको दुनिया में और कोई आपसे ज़्यादा स्मार्ट नहीं लगता है, आपसे ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट नहीं लगता है. That's not self love. Self love is to love yourself enough to give yourself a chance. Love yourself enough to accept the way you are. So self-hate is not the opposite of self-love. The opposite of self-love is self-critique. That critique which holds you back. That critique which tells you you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, you're not beautiful enough, you're not rich enough, etc., etc., etc. Simply put, you're just not enough. Self-love is the only way for us to break out of these chains that self-critique has put on our entire being. So here are 3 ways in which you can actually truly practically work on increasing your self-love quotient. I want you to remember this as 3 A's. The first A is awareness. Be aware of what your critique is saying. Don't be scared of your critique, and also don't let your critique monitor you and guide you and take you wherever the critique wants to take you. Look at it. Be aware of what it is saying. Don't ignore. Maybe invite your critique for a cup of tea. Sit and listen to what your critique has to say. Maybe write down whatever your mental chatter is all about. And then look at it to see what it has to tell you. But be aware of your self talk. The second A is to accept yourself as who you are. Accept your imperfections. Accept your weaknesses. Know that nobody in this world is perfect. No one, not even Steve Jobs, not Bill Gates, not a single person on earth is perfect. Perfection in itself is an illusion. So what is this whole chase about perfection? कि मेरा body perfect हो, मेरे looks perfect हो, मेरी English perfect हो, मेरे पास perfect plan हो. Progress beats perfection. Let's remember that. It's always progress before perfection. So the moment we understand that, yes, I have imperfections, it's when you are now open to really collaborating with people who have the skills that you don't have, right? And then you come together and create a great team. So the second A of self-love is acceptance. The third A is appreciation. We all love to be appreciated, isn't it? In fact, there's a study done that says appreciation is the highest motivator, single highest motivator for a lot of people, a large percentage of people across countries. So what do? We wait for people to appreciate us. How about genuinely appreciating yourself? For small things that you do in a day. Nothing major. Not when I make that startup of mine a unicorn will I appreciate myself. No. The fact that I had the courage to create a startup, the fact that I can now employ 2 people, the fact that that 2 has become 20, the fact that I again showed up despite all my deals going awry yesterday, I am back in office sitting right here wanting to create another pitch and hope for another deal. That in itself is a huge reason for appreciation. Look out for these small reasons to appreciate yourself and fill your heart with it. Because when you fill yourself with appreciation, then anything else that comes from outside is a bonus, right? So if people appreciate, fantastic, even better. But if they don't, it doesn't empty your heart because your heart is filled up enough with self-appreciation. So remember, when you work on self-love, you work on managing the self-critique, which is the only reason why you are still not where you want to be. Bring in awareness, acceptance, and appreciation, and see the magic of self-love unfold. Thank you.